The Attorney General is not pursuing justice. We don't feel he's pursuing justice. He is sending a warning.
Now today, a Hispanic civil rights group is pushing back against what it believes is a political case. So these right here are 6 people facing felony charges in a voting investigation that's led by the Attorney General's office. Among those suspects, Frio County's judge, council members, and a school board member. KSAT Investigates Daniela Ibarra first broke the news of their arrest earlier this month, and tonight she shows us how they're using their first court appearance to send a message.
What we are witnessing here today is what we feel is a calculated campaign of intimidation.
A challenge to felony charges.
This is not law enforcement. This is voter suppression in the guise of protecting our voting integrity.
The League of United Latin American Citizens, or LULAC, is throwing their support behind several Frio County elected officials facing charges of vote harvesting. Frio County Judge Rochelle Camacho, Pearsall Councilwoman Rachel Garza, and Councilman Ramiro Trevino are among the group who appeared in court this morning. They're among the 6 arrested in connection to an election investigation led by the Attorney General's office.
I think there are better things and maybe better ways to use their resources than to be picking on people in a very small town that I believe are just doing their civic duty and trying to get people to vote, trying to get the vote out.
LULAC officials say they haven't seen the evidence to back up the accusations.
That's why we're calling this a persecution, not a prosecution.
Warrants accuse several of the suspects of paying someone to pick up mail-in ballots. Records show candidates were billed between $1,500 to $2,500 to collect the ballots, applications for ballots, and driving people to vote curbside.
What is the response to people who might say that these charges erode public trust?
In today's climate, an accusation is almost like a conviction. And that's the sad part. The harm has been done, the damage has been done, careers and lives have been destroyed. That is the trust that is being eroded. It's a two-way street.
Several of the suspects got emotional.
Is there anything that you'd like to say to your constituents or anything that you'd want people to know about the charges that you're facing?
That time will come. The time will come.
All 6 suspects are expected back in a Frio County courtroom in July. In Pearsall for KSAT Investigates, I'm Daniela Ibarra.
So we also reached out to the Attorney General's office on this story to get a comment, but we have yet to hear back.